Hi, welcome to 15th chapter in CSS3. This video is brought to you by Ankpro training. In this video, we are going to discuss CSS3 User Interface. For latest update, please subscribe our channel. User Interface. CSS allows us to change the user interface property to any element into one of several standards. User Interface Property. Resize. Specifies whether or not an element is resizable by the user. Outline offset. Adds space between an outline and the edge or border of an element. Syntax. Resize is a property and we need to pass the value. Outline offset is a property and we need to pass the value. Example, resize vertical is a value, resize is a property, outline offset is a property and 15px is a value. User interface for cross-browser. If we are using Mozilla Browser, then we need to use a moz before applying the outline offset property. If you are using Chrome browser, Safari browser, Android browser or any iPhone browser, then we need to use a webkit before applying the outline offset property. If you are using Opera browser, you need to use O before the outline offset property. This is our output for the user interface. Let's go for the code demo. For that, I'm going to open my Visual Studio Code and I'm creating a new file as a name of userinterface.html. And I'm just inserting the HTML tags there, and I'm using the p tag here, and I'm taking some text, and for this tag I'm using the id is equal to separate. Let me just add some styles. So for that I'm just taking the style tag inside the head section, and let me take in some p tag for applying the CSS property. P tag open in parenthesis. Margin I taken. Margin I'll take 80px, and float I'll just take left float for this p tag. So I just taken the id here for the p tag, this id as a name of separate. Let's see the output first. This copy path, I'm opening my Chrome browser and it placed here. So this is my output right now. So before applying the properties for user interface, so let me just apply the property for user interface. So I'm just taking hash separate, so I'll just taking border 5px solid red color, and I'll just take outline width. I'll take an outline width is a 10px, and I'll take outline style. I'll take an as a style is a dashed. So let's see the output first. So if you see this is the outline black color, it's a 10px, and this is our border, red color border for this. So outline is a 10px dash I taken. So but I want this should be color different, so I'll just take this black color should be as a blue color. So outline. So let's see the output. See, it's a blue color, the outline. So right now I'm going to use as a property here, outline offset, and I'll take some 15px as a offset. So let's see the output for this. See, it's an offset, so it's going far from that paragraph. So offset I taken 15. If I take an offset like a 20, it's go more far here. Let's take an as a 20 offset. Let's see the output. So it's more far right now. So this is the outline offset property in user interface. So I'm using like outline width, outline style, outline color, so different separate, but I need to use in the shorten property. So let's see the how to use the shorten property here. So I just copy this paragraph, same I paste here, and I'll give as a name here, ID name is a single, and let me just apply the some styles. So hash single, open close parenthesis, border I'll just taken here 10px, and a solid green I'm just taking here. So this is my border of the paragraph. I need to apply like a outline also, outline border as well. So I'll just use a shorten property as a name of outline. So inside that I'm using the outline width right now 15px, and after that I'm using outline style, I'm using dotted, and I'm using now outline color. I'll use violet color. So in a single outline is a shortened property. In a single property, I'm using the values different, like a width value, style value, and color value. I applied, and after that, I'm going to get apply one more property, offset property here. In the offset property, I'll just take in as a 20px. Again, for this also, I'm just taking same 20px. So let's see the output. Let's see, it's a dotted. I just taken green color, and I give it a 20, and I just pass this dotted. So is using the shorten property, I use this one. So this is our output of the user interface. Subscribe to our channel, like us on Facebook, follow us on Twitter, join our group on LinkedIn. Thank you.